Okay, we're gonna go see Jeff and his daughters today up in Glen Eagle. So
I like that neighborhood.
I do too. He's the one that has the for sale by owner, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath.
Okay.
So he's at $425 right now, but I definitely think he's overpriced. I'm gonna say it probably has to be closer to maybe $375, $400.
Okay.
He's been trying to sell for 6 months.
Wow.
It's been a while.
I like the area. I also like where he's coming from because you said he has the 2 daughters that he needs to
Kind of move to their next phase of life.
college and marriage.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
So let's go see it and see what we can do. Great landscaping too. I like this big tree.
Yeah. Very cute.
Great color.
Mm-hmm.
Hi. I'm Leslie.
Hi, Leslie.
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Nice to meet
Hi,
you.
I'm Lyndsay.
Taylor.
Nice to meet you.
Awesome.
Great house, guys. Let's look around and see
Okay,
what we
well,
got.
Here, obviously, we have the living room and the
Yeah.
dining room.
Okay.
This is good space. Like,
Yeah.
I love the high ceilings.
Yeah.
But
Awesome.
you grew up in this house for a while?
Yeah.
Okay.
Made a lot of memories here.
Oh, awesome.
17 years.
17 years.
Yeah.
Wow. Let's see the kitchen.
Wow.
It's all original. The
Yeah.
oak cabinets, the laminate.
In here, we need some personality in this kitchen. We need some color. This is very interesting to me, how there's like this faux wall area.
It's very 1990s.
Yes.
One of our goals when we walk through a house is really to identify who the buyer is for
Yeah.
a property. In this neighborhood, it's most likely gonna be a family. We need to think, how would this kitchen, how would this home be used with children?
All right, show us more. You guys lead.
Do you guys actually watch all of these DVDs?
Holy moly.
Oh, yeah.
So probably having DVDs out dates the house a little bit.
This whole thing right here
Yeah.
screams 1999.
90s. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go upstairs.
Okay. This is really cute.
Yeah, those
and
are.
I love this too.
Yeah, huge high ceiling. Carpet in the bathroom.
Oh, yes. Rip that up.
Shouldn't every bathroom?
I think in here, you just need a little refresh to bring the bedroom and bathroom up to date. Here it is.
Oh, nice roof, nice siding. I like the
the
gray.
roof is great, actually.
Okay, so come on in.
Come on.
I really, really love the floors.
Yeah.
Oh, they're beautiful.
So tall ceilings, just like you guys have.
Makes a big difference having fresh paint.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It really does.
So in your living room, we're just going to give the room a fresh coat of paint and update the fireplace built-ins to take it out of the 90s and bring it into this millennium.
It's pretty basic. Original oak cabinets.
Yeah.
It's like ours.
Yeah, not a ton has to be done to update a space. In your kitchen, I'd love to paint all the cabinets and replace the countertops to really bring some personality into the space. I'd also like to remove that massive island you have taking up room in your kitchen and build a bar with seating where you have that old wooden railing, which would open up the space.
Do you guys want to look around?
Let's go.
Let's go check it out. So this is the master.
This is good.
Yeah,
like
with the
the
master bath.
two
Oh, that's nice. I like that.
vanities.
Yeah.
So what'd you think?
There's no carpet. It's just all hardwood. It's kind of nice.
What about the bathrooms with those nice clean vanities?
Vanities look really nice.
Yeah, the
I
white
really
and
like that.
gray.
Yeah.
Very updated.
I think we could do something similar in your master bedroom and master bath. We'll give the rooms a fresh coat of paint, remove the awful carpeting, and replace a vanity with a new modern one.
So our goal was to bring you here to really show you with a minimal investment, you can maximize your sales price. This is a larger home. This house is just over 2,000 square foot. They were able to get just under $530 for the house, which is $250 per square foot.
Wow.
And really what we're gonna look at is that price per square foot. With yours being just under 1,800 square foot, would put us right at that $440 list price.
Okay. Wow. That sounds great. I like
Awesome.
that.
Profit margins on this one are really tight.
It's like walking a tightrope. You don't want to overspend on your improvements or you won't get that money back.
But you need to make sure that you put in enough money or you won't get top dollar out of your neighborhood. So if we could agree upon a start price of $400,000, we would invest out of our pocket $20,000. That would include updating your kitchen, redoing that 90s fireplace surround in your living room, giving your master bathroom a refresh, and new paint and staging throughout the house. So we actually feel really comfortable and confident in this. Once the renovation is complete, then we think we can get that $440,000 list price. After we got our investment back, that would still be an additional $20,000 that we then would be able to split profits.
Makes sense. What happens if, say, the offer price is lower than that?
If for some reason we are lower than that, then that's money that we're gonna end up losing in our investment, so.
Oh, really? Mm-hmm. I'm ready to do it.
Jeff and the guys are starting demo in the kitchen at the Michaels house. Our budget is not huge on this project, so Jeff is carefully removing the cabinets so that we can save them and repaint them a fun color. The kitchen countertops just date the house so much. We're gonna pull those out and replace them with something more modern. We're also knocking down the very 90s railing between the kitchen and the living room area. As far as the appliances go, our budget is so tight that we're setting them aside to hopefully reinstall them in the house once the construction is done.
We're painting cabinets, which I'm fine with because these are nice cabinets.
Great cabinets.
But I'd like to do something really fun, still dramatic. So I'm thinking a coastal theme because I still want the current homeowners and the new homeowners to walk in and be like, whoa, this looks expensive, it looks unique.
Yeah.
It looks like something that I couldn't do myself and that I wouldn't see somewhere else. So these floors, this beautiful tile, we paint the cabinets and we go with blue on the cabinet.
With the white appliances, it'll look very clean.
I know we said we're gonna keep the white appliances. I don't think it's a good idea.
It's not a choice.
Could we please try to find in our budget 4 new appliances? Just tell me how much I need, because I want this to be a really cool house.
Dishwasher, we were gonna get a new stove, because I agreed with that, and microwaves. So I gotta find $2,000. I know.
I love that.
Yeah.
Because I try to get dramatic so you understand what I'm saying.
So,
Pause for effect. $2,000. But
Dun, dun.
do we want to talk about the fireplace? Because that was $2,000 in our budget.
Yep.
So I don't have to do it?
Yeah, I do that project, okay?
I love that idea.
Well, I know you would.
Let's go down here.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Great.
This is my vision, okay? I actually love the arches because it is coastal. So what I'd like to do, I want to take out all of this. I need something I can put baskets on, like books, whatever.
Okay.
I'm going to wallpaper the back.
I mean, that sounds cost effective. Is this your money dance? Saving
This is a
money
good
dance?
money dance.
Wow. Mine's usually like this.
Sunshine, rainy nights, anytime. It's all right with me.
Now that we have the house cleaned out, we're building our bar top area where the old railing used to be. And our unique floor tile is being laid in the kitchen. The pretty pattern is going to add lots of visual interest, while the neutral beachy colors definitely have that coastal vibe. The Michaels house is coming along. We've got our white countertops installed and the gray tile backsplash is going up in the kitchen. The cabinets are being painted a deep blue to go with our coastal theme. And we were able to afford all new stainless steel appliances in the kitchen thanks to my excellent money-saving suggestions.
Come on in.
All right.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Jeez.
All new paint, all the trim is white.
Very welcoming.
And then that piece of art Lyndsay actually made.
No.
Yes, because she wanted to bring that Pacific Northwest feel inside.
That looks cool.
Okay, let's see the kitchen. Here we go.
Hannah.
Oh my goodness. What? Oh.
Oh, wow.
You guys did so good.
So pretty.
I love the blue. The blue.
Good.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, new dishwasher.
Incredible.
That's great. I love that.
All the things that we discussed that really felt 90s in the home, we tried to address.
I I love how you
This
made
is
this
perfect.
like a bar.
We now have a home that we can advertise as a kitchen with eating space.
Tiles, nice.
So this was a kind of a bold choice
Yeah.
that we made, but again, in the
It
neighborhood.
goes perfect.
Yeah, we wanted to stand out a little. Okay, let's go see the family room.
Okay.
All right.
Hey.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
I like what you did to the corner. This is so unusual of a space that you guys added those shelves. It's really nice.
This is where we wanted people to come and want to sit down and be cozy.
Yeah. We were very strategic in not only our staging, but also the design to make sure that we appeal to that family buyer.
Well, I think you guys did a really good job with that.
Thank you.
Yeah, definitely appealing to us as well. So. Yeah,
Well, you can't buy it.
I can't.
Jinx.
I love this kitchen.
Oh, good.
And I love how much you can see through and there's so much light. Do you like it? Me too.
I like this space.
Yeah.
I don't feel like I'm in a cave.
Good.
It's bright and airy.
I love this floor.
You do?
I do.
Good.
Good.
I really like the built-ins. And I love that the room isn't centered around like an entertainment center or a TV. It's a room for people to hang out and spend time.
After 11 days on the market and a great open house with some awesome feedback, we sold at $445, which is $5,000 more than what we originally listed at.